Yo, hey guys, Kim Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product, and I wanted you to check it out, and let me show it to you here real quick. It is this guy right here. First and foremost, let me tell you about that right there. This means that all that means is that the company has sent me this product so I can show you all about it. And I'm going to show you all about it right now. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. Now, with all of that said, right there, nice layout here, real quick and simple. You get your user manual that walks you through the features and functions of this. Very small print. You'll have to squint a little bit. I like the wrapping of the cable. That is not bad at all. Nice, smooth, kind of a, I don't know, is that wires inside of a cotton sleeve kind of thing. Uh, Feels like it. Then you have, I bet you this comes off, yes. So you can plug this directly into the mouse, or you can plug it into this, and I believe you can plug the dongle into this, just let it sit where you're connected to your computer, and then the mouse will work. So getting on and moving on to the star of the show, which would be this guy right here, this mouse. And in here, there it is. There's the dongle. So, yep, just like I said, you can plug it in over there and go that way or not. So we'll kind of take a quick walk through in here and so you can see it. Um, you have the capability of off Bluetooth and the 2.4 gigahertz. So you can Bluetooth directly to the mouse. You can use the dongle, which is the 2.4 gigahertz, or you do the off, meaning you plug it directly in and it's treated like a wired mouse. So what we're going to do is we're going to very quickly do two of these. One of them is going to be, we're going to test real quick the 2.4 gigahertz, and then we're going to also do the wired dongled version. But let's see. Ooh, that is nice. I kind of like the feel of the mouse. It feels pretty good in your hand, just so y'all can see that. It's kind of a thumbnail I was working on. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and switch over to this mouse here real quick. Let me first come back to this. Let me show you what I'm going to be doing here. Is first, I'm going to connect this just like it's a normal mouse and connect it to, there we go. Going to connect it to a connection device right here. Sweet. Oh, and if you see that, it's charging. Oh wow, and the mouse is already working. Let me go to screen share. So you can see me moving the mouse. Here, you see it over the snow, the word snow. It's right there. Pretty slow DPI. I'm pretty sure I can probably increase the DPI on here. But currently, yeah, it's, oh, there it is. Yeah, there it is. You just click the little button. Whoa, that's fast. I didn't realize that that's an actual button right where that little light is flashing. So you can increase the DPI to, wow, to be, there it is, super slow, faster, even faster, and more distance, right? And then tons more. So kind of, yeah, my speed. Okay, so it actually disappeared because this is forward and reverse. Love it. Yeah. And real quick, like, let's go ahead and go back to this so you can see. I'm going to pop this down and this down. And we're down to, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it makes a loud clicking noise. But as soon as you flop these forward here, these little feet sections in here become silent clicking. Really nice. I am quite ecstatic with that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go back to the screen share, and you can see, just leaving it there, that the mouse is just moving around, so you can just see that it's just doing its thing and pretty good DPI. So now what we are going to do is I am going to disconnect the cable from the mouse. I am now going to pop out the dongle, plug it in. And here's a nice thing is I actually can just plug this straight in without using the cable. Sometimes you'll have something where you have to connect to your computer and run that cable all the way around back so that you can use it. And click up to 2.4 gigahertz, and there it is. There it is. Just as quick and easy as anything else. Now, the Bluetooth version is just like setting up any other Bluetooth device or Bluetooth mouse. It all works. I'm just showing you these two is super simple as it is. This is a very fine operating, pretty decent mouse. Now, let me show you something too. I just realized we'll switch over to here. So take a look at that right there. It's blue, right? It's flashing blue, meaning that it's connected wirelessly to the computer. And the computer screen is moving around, as you can see right there. Look at that. And I'm just barely moving the mouse, and it's just doing its thing. So I think that's pretty darn cool. I love it. Simple enough, easy peasy. Whoa. Anyway, so the nice thing about this is it does a really good job functioning and moving, and I just love the way it works. So hey guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time, and I'm out.